vikuu mbalimbali, ambapo wanafunzi 4 wa shule yetu walipata B chanya, yani B+. Wanafunzi 35 wakapata B wima, B plain. Wanafunzi 28 wakapata B hasi, B-, na wanafunzi 5 wakapata C chanya, yani C+. Na alama ya mgao ya wanafunzi wetu katika mwaka wa 2024 ilikuwa 8.5278, tukilinganisha na mwaka jana ambapo alama yetu ya mgao ilikuwa 7.4359.
Etwabwate chi A- ibere, chi B+ 35, B- 134, B plain 134, B- 128, C+ 75. Fanya hapa walikuwa 395. Na hawa ambao walipata C+ kwenda juu walikuwa 374. Hivyo
mwaka uyo twabata abana 243. Asa abana 243 twanyarire koira abana 172 university abana banyora C+ and above. Iyo nabo togogetekera tokombea ne myaka ende uyo no mwaka twakorire buya muno. Nonye toko na ko improve kero mwaka gocha. Igo to gwaka buya
ande na bakaro ne ko bwati A- igo bale babere, B+ bale 26, B plain 76, B- 81, C+ 38, C plain 8, oyomo akanyora C- to akorera abo. Mean yo mwaka oyo eta 2024 igere 8.33. Kurwa mean ya renga last year 2023 7.70. Igo deviation to bwate positive 0.63. Abana wachete university direct 223 out of 232.
Grade au alama ya cha hasi ambayo ndio alama ya mwisho, tulikuwa na wanafunzi 12. Kisha alama ya cha wanafunzi 18. Alama cha chanya na wanafunzi 105. B hasi wanafunzi 70. B wanafunzi 25. Kisha B chanya wanafunzi 10.
Mwaka ulia abaisika baito baeteta abana 22. Mwaka uyo ntwamenta take bagaiko 26. Twachakerete B plain tugakorera n'abana babiri babwate D plain. Twatogotebyo manno itombiya muno asobwaro batorentire bune school. Abana bamba bwate changamoto sengenja abange bakorware na bare day school.
Nyamira County KCSE 2024 results wachikoro kinga C+ wachigoro wa the University of Abana 73 out of 122 candidates, compared to last year where we had 82 candidates 2023. C+ and above there were 71, meaning there was an increase from 71 to 73. The mean score last year 2023 was 7.5, but the mean score 2024 is 6.7. So there is a slight drop in mean score, but there is an increase in C+ and above. We want to request
2024 results. We had a candidature of 192, and the performance was that above C+, we have 180 students. directed to university. Only 2 never managed to qualify, but the last grade is played. Yeah, the mean of 8.29. Compared to last year, we were the mean of 7.18.
KCSE 2024 igo twabwata abana bakoleta amatemu 180 and out of abana 180 abana bonsi bagakora amatemu naende igo asa abana abuntu bwata abana 35 bakogende university nabo iga bange mono like C plane 62 of them abo bagikogenda tertiary institutions na boy gonna want to go comparing amatemu last year na ya 2023 it got to improve by an MSS of 1.0611. Igo na botorojing we are very happy. We had our target there and we are happy we were able to achieve the target.
2017 bakaleo siku yete akore amatemu ya kerengaki wate kana abakole board members to what school barabaya ago support the school in all ways mpaka ya wele kila sekelia gurmaega ya gathola a few challenges before ntara so school yebne gatebekana but since now so the school board members bange out of support kendi yo tota gele school they provide mpaka school yetu ya tibega ukarabia gari asiti school yo karabia Nyamira County.
Sio kila mtu ambaye atakupenda. Kuna mtu akisikia wewe umefaulu hata wewe akachinyonga. Kuna mtu mwingine hata akiangalia rais anatuongoza vizuri akaunda coffin akaweka yeye ndani. Sasa utapata kuna mtu ambaye hapendi shule. Anaenda atengeneze slip, aweke hapo, aseme hii ilikuwa hapo. Lakini hata ingekuwa hapo kwani kuna ubaya gani? Si ikiwa mwanafunzi hakuwa amefanya vile inavyostahili kufuatia na maagizo ya KNEC, si atapata hiyo. Lakini kwa hii haikuwa mtu ameenda ameunda, ameweka hapo ndio shule ionekane iko na baiko beka amo bonsi bachikoba abantu balia 395 ngere tegeka sana isenga incho kero mwiboli kero mwana kera bairi kera balimu konya bacheki balenge igona bayangiretwe ikairegeka paka abantu ande balengeri nga school getetera so kimachibu nkiyekaira te bakanda te kukuka lakini telibo isenga inche cha mujale ngororo lakini omwalio ekero mwalimu abaire lichibu lidererie kene na arayo naenda yega ku provisional results omwelio inubuna barali kura doubtinga school getenya ko eta machibu atalibo ekera chire as sub county director's office na boko enda o egure record sicho 95 bale 374 igombo kyomana na kwa ndirenga na ende igoria nganga kibakorete bakayimburufu iga okubwetera na kwa lengo konene abayibuli be umwakoria mbatu igitange sana bakite ange gatatu matematara ko bomba kiti meeting isato pitanga bacha set target ili akabiri bagacha kubwatinga kia bana baendrete ili gatatu bagacha asikirundo kyo mweli mba inyoleti abana bakere ngaki igoro ubiye bwo koromokia naenda abana baiga mbaro kitinga mba bwatia magana ari bare gote